In an increasingly complex world, we need sustainable solutions. Solutions that not only combat the symptoms of problems, but also tackle their systemic causes. We need solutions that harness the power of the interactions between assets, people, and their interests. In other words, their asset dynamics. Managing physical assets, such as the maintenance of buildings, roads, or ships, is a complex issue. Assets have certain lifespans, and the condition of an asset, like this ship, will deteriorate over time. Maintenance is therefore essential. But when and how often should we carry out this maintenance? And when is it smarter to renew or replace an asset like this ship? Organizations that design, build, use, or maintain assets often have different interests. Continuing with the example of a ship, asset managers need to strike a balance between efficiency and a long lifespan, while ensuring that the maintenance regime is economically viable. All of these considerations place a complex combination of demands on asset managers and might at first appear conflicting. There is therefore a temptation to address individual problems in isolation. However, this fails to recognize the combined effects of individual decisions and means that the benefits of taking a holistic approach are underexploited. The challenges facing asset managers and their stakeholders increasingly requires a more holistic approach, going beyond simply finding the right balance between the performance of an asset and the associated costs. Dynamic factors, or things that change over time, play a major role. Just as a ship must be able to sail in calm or rough sea conditions, asset managers need to navigate the rapidly changing and increasingly uncertain waters in the broader economic, technological, and climatic context. These broader factors have traditionally not been included in decision-making processes, or at least only in a piecemeal way. In short, we face a complex challenge. We need to make management decisions about assets with long lifespans that are robust to changes over time, and develop insights about the uncertain future. Our understanding of change over time can only be built together with asset stakeholders, all of whom might have different interests and visions. So, how do you approach this? We use asset dynamics. This method enables asset managers to map dynamic factors and incorporate stakeholder visions to improve both performance and cost effectiveness by making more balanced decisions. Asset dynamics provides a holistic perspective on the maze of complex factors and interests so that we can better understand what really drives an asset's performance. Asset dynamics harnesses the power of system dynamics models. These models are able to synthesize the expertise and visions of the various stakeholders. Using a series of facilitated group sessions, dynamic relationships are revealed in visualizations and explored through computer simulations. The mental models of those involved can thus be shared in a safe space. Different scenarios and management strategies are investigated in this manner. Using the models together with stakeholders, we consider the outcomes of alternative futures for the balance between the cost and the performance of an asset. Experience has shown that by using asset dynamics, asset managers and stakeholders benefit from new insights which help them to manage their assets better. Better decision-making takes place when the dynamics between assets, people, and stakeholder interests can be leveraged using this new understanding. Asset dynamics therefore provides a unique perspective and powerful tools to collectively make more integrated and sustainable decisions.